Are you ready to wow your guests with a homemade honey mustard vinaigrette? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making a homemade honey mustard vinaigrette. Very simple to make, takes like literally a few minutes. Tastes really great, and it's a very simple recipe. Let's jump right in. We're going to talk about our ingredients. This recipe uses what they call 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. So this is 1.5 cups of vegetable oil and 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar. I have 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of basil, 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Gonna pour the red wine vinegar in. You know, that's actually very simple. Gonna pour the sugar in. Gonna pour the Dijon in. Pour the oil on top. And pour your spices in. I used to have an employee named Marilyn who used to work with me. And anytime she tried to make this, it never emulsified, meaning it never came together. And that is because when she did it, she just started stirring it. When you stir this, you have to start in the middle, do very small circles, right where the Dijon and sugar is. You notice how it's getting very thick right where I'm stirring it, but the rest is very oily. As you stir it, just your circle should get bigger and bigger as it comes together. What's basically happening is the mixture is incorporating the oil and what they call emulsifying, coming together, basically. And now you can go around the sides and get any leftover oil. And you can see that now I have a nice thick dressing. Very simple. And we're gonna take out a spoon and give it a taste. Needs a little more sugar, I think. So I actually conferred with my cameraman, David, who has honey mustard all the time. And he actually said that the sugar is perfect. So we'll go with what it is. You notice it's pretty thick. However, it's not thick enough if you want to put on a sandwich. It's great for a salad dressing, but if you want to put it on a sandwich, what you can do is I have a 1/2 cup of dressing over here, which I'm just going to pour into a bowl. I have basically 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, like a prepared mayonnaise. This is good for like if you want to do a honey mustard chicken sandwich. We're just going to mix that in. I just want to give another taste real fast. It's really good. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And tell me what type of dressings you like to make. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a great day.